Hello again, everyone. This is me doing a voiceover of this because I didn't get voiceover at the time that I was shooting it. But here is the Alola collection for Solgaleo. Um, it's pretty. See how pretty it is. So pretty and so hard to open with one hand. I would have gotten voiceover at the time, but people were home. And it's always weird to record voiceover when people are home. So I didn't. Let's get the cards out. Gently so we don't ruin them. There we go, much better. Okay, so here is Rowlet. And an interesting thing was pointed out to me that you can't see here, but that also has the sun and moon logo. So when you get both Solgaleo and Lynn has the promo and Poplio does not. But when you get both Solgaleo and Lunala packs, you get a full set of promo and a full set of non-promo. So that's interestingly enough. So here are packs. There are 2 evolutions. There's a Breakpoint, a Fate's Glide, and some other one I can't see right now. There's a figure. It's cute. Rawr, it says. Here is the pin. Also cute. I don't know what order I'm going in. Apparently I'm doing evolutions first. Here is the giant card. It is cute and shiny and stuff. I feel like I should make the sounds crinkle, 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 crinkle. Okay, so here is a card. Yay, cards! Woot! I have to tear it with my teeth so that I know that I gave it to you guys and should not use it for myself. Now, 3 from the back. La da da. Then put it in front of the 2 that are sitting there. It's a Weedle! And a Machop! And a Pikachu! And a Ponyta! And a Magnemite! And a Super Potion! And a Nidorino! And Professor Oak's Hint! And a Reverse Voltorb! And a Dugong! And I love Dugongs. They're my favorite. This is me casually attempting to keep them somewhat orderly. Okay, time to open the second pack. Are you ready for my sound effects? Okay, so here's our next code card. Have fun. Me tearing it again. Now there's the first card to put away, and the second card to put away, and the third card to put away, and these 2 cards go on top. And there's my cat. Vulpix, a Tangela, and Machamp. Oh look, Sparkles. Weedle, Onyx, a Haunter, and there's my first secret rare, a Flying Pikachu. Yay! A Coughing, a Machamp Break, and a Beedrill. I've never actually used break cards competitively. So apparently we're doing Fate's Glide next. Oh hey, I just barely opened a pack. Maybe I can make sounds with it. Okay, so I'm keeping that code card, whatever. And there's the ones that I put back in. There we go. Oh look, it's a Tangela. That's Rufflet. That's an Oshawott. That is Poniard. That is Ponyta. It's the dual type as Azumarill, a Fletchender, a Drifloon, Skiploom, a reverse holographic Sneasel, and a holographic Bisharp dual type thing. I didn't see what one we were going with next, but here's some cards. Someday, I'll have a tripod. I sort of have this almost tripod-y thingy. Minccino, Bronzor, Lavatar, Fairy Garden, a Braixen, as I try not to see what's behind there, a Scorched Earth, a Lugia Break, and a Zygarde, or Zygarde. Someday I'll pronounce that right. And the last one. And apparently I'm giving you guys this card code. Ta-da! 1, 2, 3. A, B, C. Alrighty. So, Phantom. I don't remember. Shelter. Growlithe. Or Espert. An Electivire. A Max Potion. A Bayleaf, which I've been using a lot lately. And Drapion. And a Golduck. And that is it. So, bye-bye.